wakati mtu anaelekea office center, lazima kuwe kwamba tulipe ofisi, bookkeeping, tununue vitabu, wengine wapate kula hapo. Are you seeing that? Well, I want the same. I must be hands-on. Niambie, wewe umeanza leo. Anaona like
Thank you, Excellency. This money is to enable to pay rent for the first 6 months. It is to enable them to hire a bookkeeper and pay his or her salary for 6 months. It is to enable them to purchase office furniture and computers, printers, and also to install a software that will run the SACCO issue, the loans, the savings, and everything. And then a small amount actually, I think it's about 130,000, is what has been put aside for further recruitment of members. And here, they are required to have barazas, meetings, and to go to the CITs that are affiliated to the SACCOs. And the officials have agreed that for them to earn one lunch, lazima wao wamesajili watu watatu ambao wamelipa registration and minimum shareholding ya shilingi 500. So that is the starting point.
Kwa hivyo tusikizane. Bila anasema for 100 and what from the organization?
About
130. Every 1,000 must be, is it 1,000 must be out of the members and more.
Lunch moja wanalipo 500.
Lunch moja.
Yes, for an official. So akileta watu watatu ambao wamelipa minimum registration in 200.
That's okay. Yes. I'm playing with your body. It is 130,000 divided by 500 to get out the members a group must have. Yes. Now you have an example. 130,000 divided by 500 shillings. 100, 216 times 3, because they say an individual will have to bring 3 people. Yes. 700 and if that group does not raise that 700, you don't give them 130. Is that the case? Yes.
We don't authorize. When the money is transferred into the account, but for every transaction, the bank has been instructed they have to come for authorization from myself and the chief officer.
Thank you.
So we will not authorize them to be paid lunch until we see the new members in the system and how much they are contributing.
Members who have to be recruited, 3 of them, they must pay a certain amount to be members, and that one guarantees them to be members. And this individual who has recruited them to get 500 shillings for 3 people. And you know what they stand for. How many groups? 18. If you get 18 times 700 and what will be public? 14,000. 14,040. The day I want farmers from those groups, 18 of them, I'll get 14,000 people seated here. Do you want it? Because unless we do that, our my soul.
These circles, they actually wrote a proposal to ask for money in a template that we provided. So when you hear 25, 15, is what they may have asked for. But there's what was approved by the county project steering committee, which now, because we wanted to give everybody something, we scaled down from 1 million, which is the maximum, to 700,000, so that each and every circle receives something.
That makes sense.
So our typical way we have looked at it is that the rent is going to cost 54,000 at 5,000 maximum for 12 months.
Yeah, it's not for how many months? For
12 months.
Right.
Then salary for bookkeeper, 25,000 per month for 12 months, which is 270. But the market rate is 15. So we want them to pay at the market rate that they have negotiated. And that money can be utilized for other activities. So what I'm reading is the maximum amounts that were approved by the county project steering committee. But that doesn't mean that they must use that amount. They can utilize less of an item and probably slightly more from that, depending on what unique situation. So the other item is stationery, which we are putting at 18,000 for a year. And then office furniture, 48,000. And then we will have automation, computer, printer. That is going to cost 140,000. And then, depending on the ward, from 130 to 170,000 for mobilization. That totals to about 700,000.
No. That's very punished. You see, listen. See, I will say 130. Yes. Let us have it 130. The other money, let us improve this infrastructure. Even getting 2 people working in those offices. So that now, again, you don't even buy the computers in you. But again, people go, not only one person, let there be around 2. And the groups will be able to manage their businesses. We don't want to go that direction. We don't want to make that mistake. You have given us a responsibility. Money has come. We must guide you through how we get this one. I can assure you, don't worry. Nimesema wakisi hapa wewe hiyo ndio rafiki wananchi wangu. And another get coming inside we can be able to follow it up because we are not getting them to come from there, not getting them to back. Therefore, we must make sure these people they have given services. So, therefore, the 18 groups by good people. Tafadhali. Pesa iko. Na ni pesa unapewa 500. You can't confiscate your own wife. Or your husband. Ama your neighbor. Ukipata ni ngumu sana tafuta leo wako akuje ajiunge and there will be trainings. Therefore 130 kusaidia gani? Mtoa 130 out of 700. That means 500 a quarter. 570 million. What if it is I want to be practical. 6 months. We are talking of rent. Roughly renting the Sangam Point in the 3. 5,000. On the other side, 5,000. Zero. 5,000 times 6 months.
1 year.
5,000. What is it 1 year? 60,000. Is it 60?
Yes.
60,000. So we buy 510. Senor, tunataka tulipe ofisi for all year. Na mimi nitatembelea hizo ofisi. Hao watu nimesaba kwa sababu ya rasako, I want to meet them to be mleo wao chai at any given time. Therefore 510 bookkeeper. Malipa ya mshahara pesa ngapi?
5,000. 1,000 a month.
15,000. 25.
15,000 a month. 15.
Wewe is your name, man. You're talking about 15. 15,000. What are talking about? And you're one of the officers.
Yes, sir.
Your boss says 15, you're talking about 25.
I'm saying, sir, that you have given us 25,000, but we are giving 15,000 a bookkeeper per month.
No. Yes. 25 is an enforcement officer here.
I'm saying what they have given us, it is 25,000.
No,
yes.
We want you to be practical. Don't tell me.
Practical is 15,000. Practical, I'm paying 15,000.
15,000.
Yes.
15,000 we pay for all of
1 year.
1 year. 100. Hiyo mshahara ya bookkeeper. 1 year.
1 year.
1 year ndio hesabu kwa haraka. Maisha. 330,000. This one is for functions. Office function.
Software.
Computer.
Software.
Printer.
System.
Software. Stationaries. Funded in fridge.
Water dispenser.